What's up, guys? Today's hot. Drink coffee. Not really sure what I want to do today. I either want to tear apart this KA and start looking at putting the other parts on that KA and probably spot clean a little bit. I've got a couple hours like I did last time. So, do what I can with the time I've got and see where it goes. I really don't want to just do nothing and sit here and stare at my projects, because we all do that. So, let's get started and see where I go. So look at this thing. I've got to swap the intake manifold, the oil pressure sensor, my feed line for my oil pressure gauge, my power steering pump, my alternator, my power steering bracket, my alternator bracket, my water neck, and the valve cover, and my distributor. And then got to get the crankshaft, pull it out, possibly look at it and the bearings and everything and see how they look on that. Put a new set of bearings in that one and a new piston rod, and then throw it all back together. Starting off great already. Can't find my other 10mm. Haha. make sure you label these for which piston they go to. So you remember to put them in the correct spot. You put them back. Alright, got everything out. A little bit rough on the edges. It's an older crank. Need to clean it up a little bit more before I put it back in the other engine. Got everything else out. Bearings look a little bit discolored, but nothing bad. Not a whole lot of wear showing on them, no scratches. So, it's kind of what I wanted to accomplish today. Alright, I buttoned the bottom end up a little bit. Doesn't have a crankshaft in there, but it'll be okay. About to drop this motor and pick up this other motor over here and put it on the stand. Thanks for joining in again. We will be doing more in the next video. If you like this content, subscribe. Like the video. Help me out a little bit. Give me some comments and feedback on what you want to see. What in-depth project you want to see me either accomplish or mess up on, and give you feedback and try and show you the right direction to go in. Like supporting people, like some good merchandise, go to the shop down below in the description. Get you a t-shirt, tank top, some leggings, some socks. Get you something, support the channel so I can get these projects a little bit further for y'all, show y'all some more in-depth things that either you have questions on or you want to do but you're too scared to. Like me, because I don't like breaking things. Spend a lot of money on projects where I break things, fix them. So, y'all have a good day and tune in for the next episode.